Students, today we are going to understand a very important concept from chemical kinetics, the order of a reaction. Order does not mean the numbers written in the chemical reaction. Order means the sum of the powers of concentration of reactants in the rate law. Suppose reactant A and reactant B react to form products. The rate law is written in words as, rate is equal to rate constant multiplied by concentration of A raised to some power and concentration of B raised to some power. Now listen carefully. These powers are not taken from the numbers written in the reaction. These powers are found only by experiment. The power of concentration of A is called the order with respect to A, the power of concentration of B is called the order with respect to B, and the sum of these powers is called the overall order of the reaction. Do not confuse order with molecularity. Molecularity is taken from a single reaction step, but order is taken from the rate law and is determined experimentally. An important exam point. The order of a reaction can be 0, 1, 2, 3, and even a fraction. For example, if the power of concentration is 1 by 2, the reaction has fractional order. Now understand zero-order reaction. If the order is 0, it means the rate of reaction does not depend on the concentration of reactants at all. In that case, the rate becomes equal to the rate constant only. In a zero-order reaction, the graph between concentration and time is a straight line. This shows that the rate is constant and independent of concentration. This is a very important one-mark concept in exams. Now let us understand the biggest mistake students make. A question is given like this in words, 2A and 5B react to form products. Write the rate law. Students immediately write that the power of A is 2 and the power of B is 5. This is wrong. Why is it wrong? Because the question has not mentioned that this reaction is a slow step or an elementary reaction. Unless the question clearly mentions slow step or elementary reaction, you cannot use the numbers of the reaction as powers in the rate law. Now see the same question with a small change. 2A and 5B react to form products, and the step is slow. Now you can correctly write that the power of A is 2 and the power of B is 5. Because a slow step is treated as an elementary step. And only in an elementary step do the numbers of the reaction become the powers in the rate law. One more important concept for exams. The units of the rate constant depend on the order of the reaction. By looking at the units of the rate constant, we can predict the order of the reaction. So remember this golden rule for the exam. Unless slow step or elementary reaction is mentioned, never use the numbers of the reaction as powers in the rate law. Order is always determined experimentally. And here is the one-line definition for full marks. The order of a reaction is the sum of the powers of concentration of reactants in the rate law. This version removes all common confusion, order vs molecularity, zero-order meaning. Fractional order reality, slow step rule, units connection.